Hey, what is up, guys? It's Luke W. coming back at you again today with some sweet product updates. I have a couple of big updates for you guys, and I just wanted to let you know it's been 1 year today since I started my entrepreneurship journey. It started out on a snowy morning. I woke up and saw an ad on Facebook for Ty Lopez's social media marketing course on February 28th last year. So it's a pretty cool day today. It wasn't a few months later that I started the Amazon Seller Mastery course by Tanner J. Fox. That was in the month of April, on the 26th to be exact. So it's been less than a year since I've started Amazon and YouTube and all this stuff, and it's really exciting to see the amount of progression that can really take place in just within a year when you're working on your own business. It's not like you're going to work and you're just doing the same mundane, boring routine and ritual every single day. It's like every day is a new day, every day is a new topic, a new video, new progression happening. So before we hop into the product update, I'm going to share with you guys, I had a contest giveaway for a 1-hour phone consultation call with me for anyone who liked, commented, and subscribed to this video. So we have a lot of people that commented. I'm going to go ahead and pick a random comment. So let's see who's going to win the 1-hour giveaway. And it's Mr. 00. Okay. So if you saw that, Mr. 00, I think I know who you are. Just go ahead and drop me a Facebook message below if you want to have a little chat with me on the phone. So that's awesome. I'm going to be doing plenty more of these giveaways. And what the heck, why not? Let's do one right in this video. If you guys want to like, comment, and subscribe and hit the notification bell, I will do another random comment picker and pick one other person in the next video to win a 1-hour phone consultation with me. So with that out of the way, let's increase the brightness and hop right into my product update. So as you guys know, my neodymium magnets have been the seller. That's my first product. I've kind of made a case study of this product and shared full transparency and just kind of wanted to show you guys what it looks like for a brand new Amazon seller to start selling their first product. So this is a product that I started selling at $10.99 and ended up finally selling at $18.99. Having your product ranking in Amazon for as long as I've had it in there, 6, 7, 8, 9 months, gives Amazon a lot more time to solidify its position in Amazon's catalog. So when you first start a product out, you're not going to have a great ranking, but using some of the methods like I like to use, like trading reviews with friends and stuff and having them buy it under the keyword I want to rank for, really sets me up to be high in the pages and doing well with that. But the news about this product today, guys, is that I finally sold my last 2 units. I can show you guys on my phone what that pretty much looks like. Yeah, so my last 2 units of those sold them for $18.99 each, and that's pretty much all gone and done now. So I'm not going to reorder this product because the profit margin was still $7 or $8, and my newest product I'm looking into is about a $50 profit margin. It sells for over $100, so it is more expensive for me to get into in the first place, but I'm really excited about high margin products because everyone on YouTube says, here's the criteria, find a product between $20 and $50, blah, blah, blah. That's what everyone else is looking for, and I want to step outside that boundary and find something that's more expensive to start, but according to the Jungle Scout numbers, this product is ranking in so much revenue, the reviews are so little, and there was actually a patent on my newest product, and the patent has expired because the people didn't pay a fee, a maintenance fee or something to keep their patent running. So really excited about that. I'm in the midst of talking with suppliers, and I have 5 on the line with me, and I'm messaging them back and forth, negotiating the best price, seeing who has the most high quality materials. And I've actually found, I think, my best supplier. They're giving me a free logo that I can put on my product. Once I make my own logo on like something like canva.com, I'm going to put my logo on the product, and they're going to allow me to make a free package design. And the package design is going to encompass the whole box of this product. So you guys really want to ask your suppliers, Can we get a free logo on there? Can you label my Amazon barcodes on my product for free? Can we get a free package design? Really try and nickel and dime these guys for everything you can in the beginning, because this is what's going to set you guys up for having a relationship with your supplier that's going to be a good one, because you want to see what they're going to be able to accommodate for you, and what you're going to do for them is promise them you're going to be making huge sales with this product that they're giving to you, and you're going to keep going back to them to buy more products. So it's pretty exciting. I'm going to let you guys stay updated on how my Alibaba stuff has been going with my suppliers. But one quick note on the neodymium magnets, I kind of jumped away from that. But now that I'm sold out, a real good thing to do with this is to actually close your listing so Amazon doesn't harm your seller performance or anything. Instead of being out of stock and saying, oh gosh, I'm out of stock for so long, go ahead and there's a little checkbox next to your product. Click that, go up to the Actions tab, and then you can say Close Listing. That's going to basically let Amazon know that you've closed this listing and you want to keep everything going squared away with that. So I just wanted to bring you guys a quick update video. It looks like my camera, I need to charge a little bit more, but I'm super stoked on this newest product. I've actually seen everyone's under 70 reviews with this product, and I've done more research on it, and I've seen movie stars and A-list actors and stuff using my product, and they're getting 150,000 likes on their Instagram, and they're using my product. So I don't know how this thing is not exploded yet, but the price point is so high, and I can buy it for like $40, $50, and it sells for over $100. Amazon's going to take a 15% referral fee out of that. So if I sell it for $100, they're going to take $15, and then they only are going to take about another $10 for them to pick, pack, and ship it out. So sending all that, 100 units is what I'm going to order at first, 100 units, sending those from China into the Amazon warehouse, where I'm going to make an awesome listing and rank it on up to the first page. I'm just going to sit back and wait, and customers are going to be buying this product. I'm going to wake up. Literally, if I sell just 4 products a day, I'm going to be making $200 in profit a day. So guys, do not settle. I was all about this in the beginning, starting with a low price product, maybe getting it going for $1,000 and 200 units for $1,000. But now I see the potential of these higher margin products, and this is really what I like to get into. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I think like one of my biggest focuses now is to find products that sell for a higher price point, and you can make a lot more profit margin. I mean, what's the point of selling a product, making $8 profit when it takes the same amount of work for you to source a product that's going to make you $50 per every time you sell one? The only downside is it costs more money to start that product in the first place. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave a little video link up here or something for you guys to check out. That's going to be the video where I talk about how I find these high margin products. So go ahead and check that out, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace out.